Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your English online classes.
Today we are going to start chapter 1, that is Mango Birds, and this chapter is from your Pearls semester 1. Let's dive into the story and know why this chapter is being named as Mango Birds.
Let's read out some new words first. Number 1 is cluster. Number 2, blossom. Number 3, accord. Number 4, buzzing. Number 5, delicious. Number 6, plucked. Number 7, sack. Number 8, tumbling out. Number 9, chasing. And number 10, amazement. Number 11, greedy. Number 12, aureole. Number 13, vanished. Number 14, sight. Number 15, grab. Number 16, juicy. Number 17, believed. Number 18, rolling. Now let's learn some word meanings. Number 1, cluster. It means group. Number 2, blossom means flowers. Number 3, delicious means tasty. Number 4, tumbling out means falling out. Number 5, amazement means surprise. So let me here introduce with the chapter Mango Birds and why this chapter is being named as Mango Birds. The reason is this is how the golden yellow oriole born. You will learn about how these mangoes were turned out into golden yellow oriole. In this picture you can see the left one is male oriole and the right one is female oriole. This is a scene of a forest. So once upon a time in a forest there was a small cluster of mango trees. Cluster means group. As it was spring, its branches were covered with beautiful mango blossom. Blossom means flowers, and the forest echoed with the buzzing of honeybees. Then the flowers fell, and in their place, small mangoes began to appear. The sun grew hotter, it was too hot, and the mangoes started growing bigger. Slowly and slowly, they turned golden yellow in color. On seeing this, people and animals started coming to eat the delicious fruit. When they saw the trees were full of juicy mangoes, they couldn't wait to get all those mangoes. As you can see in this picture, two boys are having conversation and along with that they are enjoying mangoes. Suddenly they heard a voice saying, "Enjoy yourselves, eat as much as you like, but leave some for others." On listening to this, the boy said, "Are the trees talking to us?" And the other one replied, "Yes, they are talking to us." People used to say that there was a tree god who protected the forest and it was his voice. Whoever heard the voice did the same and used to obey the words. The animals in the forest were wise. The monkeys plucked the mangoes, they ate half the fruit and rest part used to throw it down. Then the wild rabbits and the deer finished them, so everyone enjoyed the fruit and nothing was wasted. One day a man came with a big sack. Inside it was a smaller bag. he climbed a mango tree and began to pluck all the mangoes and fill the bag. Again, the tree said, "Eat as much as you like, but leave some for others." But the man didn't listen and he kept plucking all the mangoes, and when his bag was full, he emptied it into the sack. My dear students, as you can see in this picture, how greedily this person is plucking all the mangoes without having a thought of leaving some for others. All the people who came there used to listen to the tree, as they believed that the tree god protected the forest. But this person was not ready at all to listen to the tree god. And on seeing this, the tree asked, "Will you eat the mangoes alone? They are for all, not just for you." The sack was nearly full, and suddenly the man heard a noise. And then what happened? On hearing the noise, the man turned and he was shocked. The mangoes were tumbling out. The mangoes were falling out of the sack and rolling away, all by themselves. The man didn't believe his eyes and he said, "How strange! How can this happen?" Then the man started running to collect all the mangoes, but they got away from him as if they were alive. He ran around chasing the mangoes. Whenever he reached out to grab them, the mangoes jumped and rolled farther away. The man chasing and saying, "Stop! All of you stop! I won't let you go." But nothing was in his control. Then you know what happened? Then right before his eyes, they turned into golden birds. The flock of golden birds rose from the ground and flew away. As the greedy man watched in surprise, the mango birds vanished from his sight. The greedy man was surprised to see this and he said, "No, how can this be? This is impossible." But people say that this is how the golden yellow oriole bird was born. So my dear students, I believe you enjoyed listening to the story. Now my dear students, quickly comment if you know what message does this story give us. Now this is your homework time. You have to read this chapter 1, Mango Birds, learn new words, word meanings, question answers and book exercise for your test. Before leaving, don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload new videos for you. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.